Welcome to English Fact Show, your daily dose of simple, clear, and powerful English learning. In today's episode, we are going to explore something every English learner needs: how to introduce yourself naturally, confidently, and in a way that actually sounds like a real English speaker. So take a deep breath, relax, and imagine you're sitting in a cozy studio with warm lights, a cup of coffee, and a friendly conversation partner who helps you learn without pressure. That's the experience we want to create for you today. Let's begin. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," most learners freeze. They don't know what to say, how much to say, or how to sound natural. But don't worry. Today, I'll give you a simple, clean, and professional structure you can use anytime. In school, at work, in an interview, or even when meeting new friends. Start with your name. Say it clearly and confidently. "Hi, my name is Saidi." Then, talk about where you're from. "I'm from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, the UAE, or whichever city or country you live in." Next, move to your profession or what you do. "I'm a student. I work as a graphic designer. I'm a freelancer. I'm learning English to improve my communication skills." After that, add a simple, friendly detail about your interests or hobbies. "I love listening to podcasts, learning new languages, playing games, or reading books." Remember, keep it short, natural, and easy. People don't want too much information. They just want to know who you are. Here's a full, natural example. "Hi, I'm Ali. I'm from Lahore. I'm studying computer science, and I'm improving my English to communicate better in my career. I enjoy reading, watching documentaries, and learning new things." Simple, clean, confident. And now, your turn. Say your introduction out loud. Don't worry about mistakes. Every mistake moves you forward. The only bad mistake is not trying. Thank you for watching English Fact Channel, where learning English becomes simple, fun, and natural. Make sure to follow, like, and come back tomorrow for another easy English lesson designed specially for you. Stay confident, stay curious, and keep learning.